So what we have here are the graphics display showing what's going on in this particular program. What we're doing is we're going to be facing off our particular blank that we have in there. So this is doing the face with that turning tool. And it'll face off the part so you can see the graphics as the green disappears. Then we're going to use that same tool. We're going to go in the opposite direction. And now we're going to turn 2 different diameters on this part. While it's doing this, the magazine in the back is also going to the next tool and pre-staging that. But as you can see the green disappear, it's just as if you were machining. That would be the material being removed here from this particular part. The nice thing about the graphics display is it does show you in actual time, so you can get a real close estimate of what your job would run. This screen has your load meters on it so that you can see what's going on.
So you can use either screen when you're machining?
That's correct.
You can flip back and forth between the 2 screens if you need to?
Flip back and forth between the screens if you need to. This is the position screen. There is a command screen that shows you a distance to go. So then now as you're machining, it's showing you the distance remaining for your particular cut. What we have is a 4-jaw chuck here, and on the face of the chuck there are 4 different stopper plates. You'll notice that right now they're just on there and they're all bolted on safe, but you'll notice that it looks like the chuck, once we start up here, that it has a lot of facial runout. But it's really just the optical illusion from the 4 jaws and that 4 stop plates that are on there. Right now we're cycling through a particular job on here that would be like a piece of bar stock where we're going to face off, and then we're going to turn the tool around, and we're actually going to use the same tool. Instead of doing an edge cycle, it will then be doing an outside of the bar cycle. We just finished. Now the tool turns around. The spindle changes direction. And now we're going to come in and turn it. And you can see what I mean about those 4 jaws. It looks like a lot of run out on that chuck. The chuck really isn't. It has no run out at all. It's that optical illusion. You can hear the chuck speed up as we're in a constant surface speed control. So as it goes to a smaller diameter, the chuck will then speed up. And I'm going to change tools and go to a drilling cycle. And this is one of the live tools. So what you saw there was the chuck actually locked in the position. It oriented the chuck and locked in the position. This is a peck drilling cycle that's drilling on the center line. And this is a live tool. We're going to change tools again, go to a different drilling cycle. This time it would be as if we had a bolt hole pattern on the face of this particular part. chuck actually indexed 6 different times. And that's the end of the cycle.